Today, the Select Committee is launching an investigation into Georgia Institute of Technology and its ties to the Chinese military. For almost a decade, Georgia Tech has collaborated with Tianjin University in China on sensitive scientific research. The problem is Tianjin is ultimately connected to the Chinese government and its military. It is directly supervised by an arm of the Chinese government whose stated goal is to strengthen military forces with additional personnel and more advanced equipment. Tianjin publicly houses Chinese defense laboratories, steals U.S. trade secrets, and as a result is currently blacklisted by the United States government. But despite these mounting concerns, this year Georgia Tech's Research Institute, which is backed by the U.S. Department of Defense and funded by U.S. taxpayers, deepened its partnership with Tianjin. A senior Georgia Tech professor funded by that institute works alongside Tianjin to develop the world's first functional graphene semiconductor, a piece of technology with significant military applications including quantum computing and autonomous weapons systems. This collaboration is a clear example of American money being used to support the development of sensitive technologies the Chinese military can use against the United States. In fact, Georgia Tech's partnership is so valuable to the Chinese government that local PRC officials have allocated at least $250 million to further expand Georgia Tech's research partnership in China. But according to public data, Georgia Tech does not appear to have reported any of that funding. This is unacceptable. The American people deserve full transparency and accountability for the research their taxpayer dollars support. Our nation's public universities must provide answers and stop advancing the development of the Chinese Communist Party's military.